Hello everybody, this is Jeana Dillon. How's everybody doing? I come here to open up a idea big bird and we're going to get started. Here we go. Okay. We have black foam. Interesting. Never had black foam before. What's this? Oh, this is his book. And his tape. And instructions. That's all that's left of that. Paper, 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 foam, foam. Got his nest here, nicely wrapped in a plastic bag. Got his nest that he sits in. Kind of bent. Oh well. Got his grooming brush. And some more foam here. And here we go. We're going to lift them up gently. Try to take them out. Let's see what's in the bag. Here he is. And this is the 1986 Ideal Bird. And gonna see how he works. And everybody take care. Have a nice weekend.